trees over here. Look, it's just like they just went through and ripped them all down. They didn't cut them down, they just tore them. Yeah, it's crazy. It's off to the side where the bus is, and over here's where the boat would come from Epcot area, which I may take back, just to do it. It's a nice ride. And here we are back at Hollywood Studios, or I like to call it MGM. Must have looked suspicious because they chose me for a random search in the metal detectors. But let's check out the construction up here. That's why we're here. As you couldn't tell, if you didn't figure it out before, we're checking out construction. It smells delicious. Put the inspection. Let's go figure out what we're supposed to be doing. Start off with Chinese Theater, aka the old great movie ride. Chinese Theater's still here. It ain't going anywhere. But what is inside is gone. The great movie ride is now gone. I'm glad we got to ride it in January when we were here, because it is not here any longer. What is going in that, you say, is coming soon. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Stay tuned. They are imagineering something new. Please visit the other Disney Hollywood attractions, like the other 4. So what are all your guys' opinions on that going away? Leave a comment down below. I'm sad, but I think the new ride will be cool, the way it sounds. So we'll have to just check it out when it's done. So we're gonna head into Walt Disney Presents, formerly Walt Disney's One Man Dream, but it still kind of is. Where it's got the coming soon to Hollywood Studios. Let's look at this Toy Story mural. We're gonna have to come back to that because I've got a drink and then we'll only take it in. Still off from the hurricane. Some of it used to be connected from one of the Epcot studio tours. Looking at that's where you would go into places like that. This is what I'm really excited about. I would love Toy Story to be Disney movie, Disney Pixar movie. Just see a little bulldozer. Do the impossible. That is right. This is playing in Minnie's backyard. It'll be us.
Where look, he's hanging. Picture.
But it said 30 minutes before.
Right behind you.
Nicely mixed. So I'm not ready to throw away like a $3, $4 drink here. Dang it. I have to ask them something when I bought this. But either way, I'm not ready to throw that away. So we're gonna go check everything else out. Then we're gonna go back to that last. So bear with me. It's pretty cool in there what I've seen. It's like the Cruz Ramirez meet and greet. I have not seen Toy Story Cars 3. I'm sure this must be a main character. Let's go get a picture with it.
No!
Now here's a good billboard for the new Mickey and Minnie ride. Characters in there. Disney's Hollywood Studios are bust. I don't know, will it still be called that? They may have to change the sign. According to our bus driver the other day, the name of this place will be changing. They don't know what it is yet, but it has been confirmed, according to him, that it will be changing. I kind of like Disney's Hollywood Adventure, kind of along the lines of California Adventure, because it's Hollywood, but basically it's all going to be Hollywood now, between movies, Hollywood Boulevard and Sunset Boulevard. That's what I would do. I've seen some names and I think they're kind of dumb. Now we're looking at Echo Lake. And as you can see, they built a ramp. So they get this Bobcat and this track hoe in here. probably going to be doing a little bit more work than just a little refurb. Be interesting to see what they do with this. Now we showed you this yesterday. This is the new what they call following areas where the courtyard's going to be for the Muppets. It's over here. That's coming along. It's hard to see in there. They don't want it to. This whole thing kind of doesn't make sense because you got Star Wars behind me. Star Wars is going in over there. You got Muppets right in the middle. That makes absolutely no sense. Why would they do that? Here's the Muppets fountain. It's under this plywood constructed area. There's Piggy. You can almost see over there. But you can see this New York area. Hollywood area a little better. You can see up there they've got there's a grill and a bike up there. So I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be an opening. Here on top of Pizza Rizzo, you almost see a little bit of roller coaster, Slinky Dog. I wonder where Tim Tracker gets all his good videos from, because this is definitely not the spot. You can see the entrance to the wall here, the entrance that's going to be Star Wars. 2 years, I know, I would totally do my tree like this. Oh, with this. It's a Jack Nutcracker. I think that's not where he normally gets his video from. Look at all that steel back there. The ATs or the AT-ATs. They're in there somewhere. Can't see it because it's all built up around them now. Plus the sun's glaring in my eyes. That is going to be a massive structure. Can't wait to see this take a little more shape. Right next time we're down here, it's going to be well on its way. Oh, I love this. I don't see a price. That means it's too much. Alright, since we got our drink down now and we've checked out the rest of it, let's head back to One Man's Dream, or whatever it's called now. I do have a fast pass for Toy Story, so we'll do that afterwards. One Man's Dream. They're coming soon to Hollywood Studios.
We never lose sight of one thing, but it's all started by me.
Hey, let's walk around, buddy. Hey, let's go. Here's the sticker.
Here's the fire engine in Disneyland. Weird model. Main Street USA. In Disneyland. In Marceline, Missouri. And here's the animation tables, similar to what they used to begin with, to make the Mickey Mouse cartoons, Playing Crazy, Steamboat Willie, among others. Walt Specs.
This is the plan for a super cartoon camera. We call it a multi-million
That chair on the desk. That's awesome. There's the models. Sleeping Beauty case.
Kingdom of them all.
Detail on that. That's amazing. Imagine to see here. It's Dollar Jungle Cruise. I'm sure that is a little different nowadays, but twice. That's also bizarre. Here's Paradise Pier out from California Adventure. screaming. The World of Color. Yeah, we got Cinderella.
Right here. Oh, so sorry.
You're fine. Over here just picking out Cinderella castle. I think there's at least water surrounding it, but I could be wrong. We also got the Tower of the Full Moon. If you really go, if like a bridge break this I'll bring it back. Here's Galaxy's Edge model. I believe this may be the building we saw out there that's being constructed. It's going to located on the edge of wild space. This remote outpost is home for all those seeking adventure and opportunity. Pilots, smugglers, rogue traders, and bounty hunters traveling between frontier and uncharted space. Surviving spaceport. Convenient, safe haven for all those hoping to avoid the expanding reach of the First Order. This is wrong because you gotta like, there'll be wall people in here. So you should like the place empty. And you got the model of the Slinky Dog Dash.
And
this is
that
a ride
thing is
vehicle.
already, the
That
track is
looks
up.
awesome.
They even have one of the Slinky Dogs on the track,
Just like the
so
lady
we're
says.
close on that one.
They're close to
It's a
running it.
very long, family friendly.
We got the Toy Story model.
Hello.
Ride that's
Star-Lord? It would be just
like
Star-Lord.
Junkyard Jamboree. It's a link to that coaster.
The new Toy Story Land opening in 2018. Yay!
Can't tell. It looks like there's
Yes,
plants
next
around.
summer.
Like Andy's
Yes.
been walking in saying.
There will be
You know,
3
that's awesome.
major attractions, one that we already have.
With the entrance to the Slinky Dog coaster back there.
But you'll be
A
entering
new
that
entrance
from the
for
opposite
Toy Story
side.
Midway Mania is
You'll be
over
entering
here.
it from Toy Story.
That will be a restaurant.
Number 2, the
There'll be
Slinky
meet and
Dog
greets.
Dash.
Basically anything you could think. No pizza plans.
That fabulous roller
And
coaster.
alien swirling saucers, the ride that's similar to Mater's Junkyard Jamboree, the blue ride over there. This is the ride vehicle, so it is basically exactly the same. You sit in the back and it'll swing you around and it'll be awesome. Well, that's gonna do it for the Hollywood Studios MGM update, construction update. We're off to ride Toy Story Midway Mania, and then I'm heading out. Hope you had a Dantastic day.